Hey, Xander.
What?
Well, because of two really awesome people, we have another Mailbag Monday.
Yay!
I'm Glenn.
I'm Xander.
And together we're Fun King 3D. All right, so we got two packages this week. I'm going to set this one off to the side. We're going to open this one first. This one comes from Tony Nunez, all the way from, I believe it was Delaware. I got to peek up underneath there. Yes, that is Delaware. And Tony, we thank you for sending whatever this is. You were a little short on postage. It was $1.50 postage due, so I expect that in pay. No, I'm just kidding. No worries at all. Boy, that knife didn't cut that at all. It just kind of tore through it, didn't it? All right, so.
Okay, I'll start opening it.
Well, can I have the letter at least?
Ooh, we get 2 maker coins.
You're always jumping ahead. What does it say on there?
That's not. Don't know.
I know what I want to translate that to say. House of Crazies?
Now we have 2 big ones.
Is that about right from the official translator? Yep. And two those are awesome. We gotta.
So what did he say?
House of Crazies? House of Wackos? That's All right, let's see. Maybe this letter tells us. Hi, Glenn. Hi, Xander.
That's us.
That is us. It was great meeting you at IRF, though I never did see Xander. Oh, that's crazy because you were all over the place.
Yeah.
I was very intrigued by your project for the big printer, the FK1. Thanks for getting that right. Even Uncle Walt got it wrong, called it the FX1. I apologize for not having enough maker coins to hand out to you, so I'm making it up to you by giving you the big versions in honor of your big printer project. That's pretty awesome. They are big. Being new to this hobby, pastime, addiction, I only had a few coins, and when I reached in my pocket to give you one, I came up empty. I totally understand how that goes. You either show up with way too many or way not enough.
Yeah.
Both you and Xander are a great inspiration to this hobby, and please keep up the great content online. It's not often you see a family working together and enjoying what they do. That's movie magic. We really hate one another. Mm-hmm. You know, it's always those stories you hear. You know, like the MythBusters, Jamie and Adam. They really didn't like one another. Didn't come out till later. No, I kind of like Xander. Looking forward to more progress on the FK1 and looking into supporting you if possible in the near future, most likely through Patreon, since I have considered doing it for a few people already. Well, support is always appreciated, never required. Thanks for taking the time to talk with me. Antonio Tony Nunez, head wacko at Casa Del Wackos. That's so awesome. That's so awesome. Thank you so much for this, Tony. It's really, really appreciated. These prints are absolutely amazing. I wish you would have said, and I'm sure that you can leave a comment on it, but I'd like to know what this was printed on, and I would love to know what the filaments are. I'm always intrigued to see what filaments people are printing with. This white is a nice white.
It makes an intriguing noise.
Well, it sounds PLA. I don't know what you're doing there. And here, look, now you have a napkin for lunch.
No.
Thank you, Tony. It's much appreciated, and it was a pleasure getting to speak with you as well. And don't ever be afraid to show up at shows with way more maker coins than you think you're going to need. I still came home with
way too many.
I still came home with a bag this full. So And I was panicking that I wasn't going to have enough and was still printing some to the last moment. So, all right, the next box. Next box. This box is sent to us by none other than Uncle Ron.
Well, you should have totally said Uncle Walt.
Why would I do that?
Because it would be funny.
Oh. Uncle Ron probably wouldn't think so. You guys in the tape. Whew.
Everywhere. It's like glitter.
All right, so. Woo. All right, so. And then he's got the item. I suppose that's to keep it rolling around in the inside of the box. Now, I did know that this was coming. Xander didn't know it was coming, nor does Xander know what it is.
I don't know what it is.
Here's the machined E3 V6 mount for the CR10. I hope it fits the A-net. So the idea is that this guy right here is going to hold an E3D. It's actually going to hold a clone E3D. Yeah, we'll get to that.
Okay.
It's going to hold an E3D that somebody sent anonymously a few weeks ago, but we're going to attempt to put a completely different hot end on that E12. I'm just going to keep throwing stuff at that E12 until something sticks, I guess, because it makes me angry that it doesn't work. He did include a little something in the box to help the FK1 come to life a bit quicker, which I think is awesome, and we thank you greatly for that, Ron. Not sure that this letter was actually meant to be read out loud now that I go through it and look, but I'm just kind of scanning. Yeah, because it's general stuff, but the thumb drive is actually some software for us to try out. The mount is to hold the E3D V6 clone on the A-net E12, and he's included something in the box as a donation to help the FK1 project get started, which we greatly appreciate. If you aren't familiar with the FK1 yet, which I can't believe you wouldn't be as much as I talk about it, there will be a video coming very soon. That is very pretty. That is a fantastic. I don't think that's in focus, but that is fantastically machined. It will be the prettiest part on that printer for sure. Very cool. I don't know what the screws going in the side are, but we'll figure it out. So, but there will be a video coming on the FK1 very soon. We thank each and every one of you guys who have sent stuff or sent stuff this week. It's always fun. It's always fun to get stuff. We love unboxing it. Anytime that you send us 3D prints, please include, what it was printed in, what you printed it on. You don't have to include settings unless you want to, but we just kind of love to know what the different filaments are. I love this brown. I love this brown filament. It's kind of a milk chocolatey brown.
I wonder if it tastes like milk.
I don't know. Try it. So anyway, if you do want to send us something, there's an address down below in the description. There's also a button that says subscribe, and if you haven't clicked that, we'd appreciate you doing it. Ring that bell for notifications. Thumbs up is always appreciated as well. And until next time, as always, print on.